I was listening to Emma Stone's latest podcast interview, and she casually mentioned how she's been using the gelatin trick to boost her mornings. Apparently, it's been a game changer for her energy levels and overall wellness. The gelatin trick, as simple as it sounds, requires just 3 basic ingredients: unflavored gelatin, lemon juice, and warm water. You probably have these lying around in your kitchen, which is what I love about the gelatin trick. It's not some fancy, expensive ritual. My friend tried the gelatin trick and noticed a huge difference in how she felt after just a week. She said it was like waking up without that sluggish, bloated feeling, and I'm pretty sure that's what drew Emma Stone to it too. The way the gelatin trick works is by gently supporting your digestive system, kind of like a daily reset. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're giving your body a chance to, well, drop that heavy feeling and just feel more balanced. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in my description for a more in-depth look. And I've also pinned a comment below with some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. To start seeing the benefits of the gelatin trick, simply follow the simple recipe and make it a part of your morning habit.